Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be making some seasoned rice. So today is just going to be a quick video showing you how I make my seasoned rice. I have here some sweet peppers, green onion, yellow onion, minced garlic, and about 3 cups of rice. As usual, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box below. Before we begin, I want to say a quick thank you to my returning subscribers. And if you are new here, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. So we're going to start by having our pan on medium-high heat. We'll add in 2 tablespoons of butter and just let that melt. Once that's melted, we will add in our onion and just let that saute in the butter until it becomes transparent. Next, we will add in the rest of our vegetables and we'll just saute the vegetables for another minute. Once that's done, we'll add in 2 teaspoons of garlic. And then we'll add in our rice. We'll just mix this around so that the vegetables get distributed throughout the rice. And then we'll add in our water along with 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. You could also skip this step and just use chicken broth for your liquid. Now I will add in all the seasonings, starting with some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. We'll stir this around, and then I will also add in about 2 sprigs of thyme. We'll bring the pot to a boil and reduce the heat to low and let this simmer for about 25 minutes. Once it's done, I'll give the rice a good fluff. And remove the thyme sprigs. And there you have it, perfectly cooked, fluffy, seasoned rice. If you enjoyed today's recipe, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and join me next time on Mama's Easy Kitchen.